Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek 3 in Make with OpenRouter. So in the last few days, DeepSeek 3 has come out and it's as good as ChatGPT 4.0 or Cloud Sonnet, the latest one, but it's much cheaper. So this is price and this is quality. So as you can see, it's a really good LLM to use. And how can you use DeepSeek 3 really easily inside of Makewell? You can use this service here. It's called OpenRouter and it lets you choose between hundreds of LLMs, and you connect your Make account to OpenRouter once, and you can then choose between all of these LLMs. They even have a little slider over here to show you only the free LLMs. So all you need to do is sign up for OpenRouter Jump. Over here, create an API key. So OpenRouter is built into Make. So all you have to do is just add an OpenRouter module, and then to create a connection between Make and your OpenRouter account by adding the API key and saving it inside of Make. And once you have done that, you can do things like this. So I'm setting my prompt here in a variable, and then I'm running that through DeepSeek 3, through ChatGPT, and through Llama. And all I have to do is just open up the OpenRouter module, and here on the models, I can select all of the hundreds of LLMs that OpenRouter offers. You can also search for just the free ones, so it's really cool. So this is the how cool about the new year that DeepSeek 3 has written. This is the one that came from ChatGPT, and this one was generated by Llama 3.2, and that was free because Llama is one of the free LMs that you can use with OpenRouter. Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.